All right, you guys, you want to get down and dirty? Do you want to change your life? Do you want to do something about it? Or do you want to sit there and piss and moan that I'm not making enough money, I don't have time for anything, yada, yada, yada. Okay, my name is Tishka Meyer, and I'm gonna say I've pretty much been there and done that. I don't have the money to invest in that. I don't have the time. I'm raising kids. What else? What other excuses can I come up with? And that's what I'm coming down to, is excuses. I want to increase my income. I want to free up my time. I want to stop trading my time for money. I would love more time for travel. I'd love more time to spend at home with my kids and my family. That's cut and dry, right? So how am I going to do that? If I work my way up the corporate ladder, I got to trade more time to get more money for the man. I don't want to do that. I want to put in my time, in my education, into my pocketbook for me. Okay? So how are you going to do that? What are you going to do? Many ways it can be done. I did find an educational platform that's working for me, and it is affiliated marketing. What is affiliated marketing? It is selling a product or a service for a commission. Now, you can have your own products. You could have a service you could provide to others. Trust me, you have a lot of value. You have a lot of experience that you can bring to help others. Okay, well, I don't have any tech skills like this girl does. No, she does not. If you can cut, copy, and paste, you can do this. And that was about the start of what I've got. The tools, what tools am I going to need? Well, they offer you, the educational platform teaches you and offers you a ton of tools. And these are tools such as how to web design, copyright, whatever blogging, whatever your heart desires in a digital world, this educational platform has a training for that. Now, the best part are the mentors, the coaches, the community. I'm getting to work and deal with people around the world. It is incredible. I have improved a lot of my mindsets, my skill sets, my communications, definitely my social media and my social marketing has improved. It's been a lot of fun, I have to say, and when you love something and you enjoy something, you have a passion for something, it is not work, it's just fun. So I look forward to coming home right away from work just to jump online to start learning something new. So that's really kind of neat for me. The nice thing about, oh, we don't have an income, well, it's not like you need to have large capital. You're not buying a gas station or opening up the next coffee shop down the street. And you're not having to do royalties and all that. This is you. This is your money investing into your education, into your skill sets, into your business. Okay? So you can invest as little as you want or as much as you want. That's the coolest thing about affiliated marketing. Now you can do an e-commerce store, you can sell products like on Amazon, or you can sell your own product or others' products. Very, very cool. So here I am in my home office. I have no product. I have a laptop and a cell phone, and I am learning the educational program. I am doing the educational program, and I am teaching what I am learning, and therefore you can earn an income and learn at the same time. How cool is that? Okay, that's key. All right, you guys. So at the bottom, you will see a link that can take you to the website. And on the website, you can get a free video series to see what I'm talking about. Meet my mentors. See if it's for you. You know, you may have thought about it, but you've never like, oh, yeah, I've done that too. Yeah, you know, skeptical, yeah, I've done that too. Finding the right platform, the right mentors, the right tools is key. So I'm going to share with you what was shared with me that got me jump started, and that is a video series. So be sure to click on the link below. Subscribe to my channel. I try to do an update every so often to let you know where I'm at on my journey, the great things and the successes, as well as where I'm falling behind and where I'd failed. So it's all about being authentic and real and sharing the data to help you, which helps me by sharing, learning, doing, and teaching. All right? So I look forward to seeing you guys on the educational platform so we can work together. All right? Thanks for listening and subscribe.